if you're new to my page, you wouldn't know this, but I love building credit. I love having good credit. I've been working hard for where I'm at with my credit score, and I'm gonna teach you guys how I did that. Actually, this is gonna be more so how I paid off my car within 3 years. Now, I did not pay anything extra with this car note as well. So I'm gonna give you some tips. Hopefully it's helpful for you, and hopefully it will help you build your credit. Okay, so when you get a car note, they give you your payment, right? So I'm gonna pull up my calendar to show you exactly what I mean. So we're gonna go by April, right? I got my calendar open. Let me start screen recording. So for instance, your car payment is due. Okay, for instance, let's say your car payment is due on the 24th, right? Oh, we got a lot. Oh my God, hold on. cut. All right, we're not gonna do that one. Hold on, I got too much events on this calendar. Okay, we're gonna do July. We're gonna do July. Let me start screen recording. So let's say your payments is due on the 26th, right? So if your car note is, let's say, $600 and it's due on the 26th, we're gonna pay this. We're gonna break that down for each week. We'll pay the amount. What? That don't make sense, because it's not making sense to me. Okay, so our car note is due on the 26th and the payment is $600, right? So we're gonna do the $600 and we're gonna divide that into 4. This is 150, right? So each week we're gonna pay $150 towards that. Instead of paying $600 on the 26th, we're gonna break it down so each week. Now, I'm getting messages and all that. the reason why we're gonna break it down because of the interest. And it sounds like this doesn't make any sense, like, you know what I mean? In the beginning, when I first started making my payments, I was like, that doesn't make any sense, but it works because you're breaking down the interest, and the interest cost is so high in the beginning. So basically we're gonna break it down, and then when the last year of me paying my car note, the interest was only like 50 cents, and I was like, perfect. So that being said, you're not paying anything extra. You're just breaking that $600 payment into 4, so it'll be $150 each week, and it's gonna help. It's gonna help you. And once the car loan is lowered, it will allow you to schedule payments 3 and 4 months in advance. Right, I know. So that's what I used to do. Once I started paying my loan down, it was going quickly. Like the fees, it was amazing. That's when I started scheduling for 3 and 4 months in advance. I don't have to worry about anything. And also, when you break payments down like that, it helps you, especially you have other bills to pay. This will help you tremendously. So yeah, that is it. I know this video was short, and I say this all the time. When I do my tutorials, I go straight to the point. And if you have a car loan, and also, hold on, this is another little trick. When you're about to go buy your car, I don't suggest to put any money down. I do not suggest to put any money down on a car. And that only can, they only give you the option if you have good credit. If you have good credit, they can trust you. The bank will trust you as well. So I don't recommend putting any money down. Every $1,000 you put down is only $10 off of your car payment. So that's really nothing. Alright, so that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and all that. We can talk and get to know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I don't niche down here. I literally just post everything about my life. Everything's on my mind, I will post. And also, I'm not an expert. I should have said the disclaimer before I started this video, but it's fine. I am not an expert. I don't know a lot about credit and building your credit. I just go by personal experience and YouTube University. That's how I've been learning majority of my stocks, and also the car thing. The car thing worked. I'm just saying. So that's it.